Hello, and welcome to an episode of Anything But Authentic, where I make interesting fusion food that is anything but authentic. Today, I'm very excited to put the Korean fried chicken twist into the traditional chicken fried steak to make what I'm calling honey butter chicken fried steak. Some of you must be asking, hey Guber, what's a chicken fried steak? Well, it's a very popular Southern comfort food in the United States. It consists of a piece of tenderized cube steak, coated, and pan-fried using the technique similar to fried chicken, hence the name chicken fried steak. Speaking of fried chicken, Korean honey butter fried chicken is an absolute must if you haven't tried it. It's twice fried chicken wings, coated with a honey, butter, garlic soy sauce mixture that is out of this world good. Since it's also my absolute favorite, I figured I'd make a chicken fried steak version and share it with you all. Trust me, you're in for a delicious treat. Let's get started. Let's start by pickling the white radish. Mix together 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cup of water in a large bowl until well combined. Then add 2 cups of cubed Korean radish, give it a little mix, and transfer it to an airtight container. Keep it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. Then we move on to prepping the steaks. Using 2 pieces of top round or top sirloin steak, around 8 ounces each, place each steak in the center of a cutting board and cover it with a piece of plastic wrap. Using a meat mallet, pound the steak evenly to about 1/4 inch thick. Then season it with salt and pepper on both sides. Slice each piece in half and repeat this step with the remaining steak. Then, in a shallow dish or bowl, whisk 1 egg and 1/2 cup of whole milk together. In a separate bowl, combine 1.5 cup of potato starch, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Dredge each steak in the flour mixture, then dip it in the egg mixture, letting any excess egg to drip off. Then dip it again in the flour mixture. Set it aside and repeat this process for the remaining steaks. Now let's double fry the steaks. Heat up around 5 to 6 cups of any neutral oil on medium-high heat in a cast iron or regular Dutch oven until it reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the steaks 2 at a time for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take it out and place it onto a drying rack. Fry the remaining 2 steaks. Once all the steaks are fried, heat the oil up again for 1 minute or until it reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the steaks the second time for 30 seconds. Transfer the steaks to a drying rack again and let it sit for about 5 minutes. While we wait for the steaks to rest, let's make the honey butter sauce. In a small saucepan, heat up 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter on medium-high. When the butter starts to turn brown, add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Once the garlic turns fragrant, add in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Stir until everything is well mixed. Then mix in 2 teaspoons of honey. Once the sauce starts to bubble vigorously, take it off the heat and set it aside. After 5 minutes, transfer the steaks to a clean plate. Spoon the honey butter sauce over the steaks. Garnish it with scallions. Sprinkle over some sesame seeds and serve it with a side of pickled radish. And there you have it! A sweet, salty, buttery, and crunchy piece of steak with a side of sweet, sour, crunchy, and refreshing white radish. The best combination. I hope you enjoyed this tasty creation. If you did, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and follow me on my social handles if you haven't already. Also, if you have any crazy cooking ideas you'd like me to try, please leave a comment below. Thank you for grubbing with me, Guber, and I'll see you here next time on Anything But Authentic.